Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In a previous tutorial, I have showed you how you can change the language in Microsoft Excel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can completely remove another language from Excel. Okay, before starting I want you to take a moment and please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Let's get started. First, click on the file option, click more and then option, and here language. You can see we added French to our language list in a previous tutorial. I have set the default language to English, but I can't remove it from here. You can see there is no button or you cannot do anything by right click or anything. Okay, I want to completely remove this from here. Okay, you cannot remove a language from here. You will need to completely uninstall that. Okay, how you can do it? You can close everything. Click here on the search and write control panel, click here and select uninstall a program. Now if you want to remove that language, you will have to remove that from here. Okay, so these three are for French language and I'm going to uninstall them here. Okay, select one and click on uninstall. Click yes. It will take some time. Now click here, first one is complete. Now uninstall these two. Close it, and now the last one. Close it, close the control panel and open Microsoft Excel again. Go to file, more, option, then language, and you can see French has been removed. Okay, so this is how you can completely remove a language from Microsoft Excel, and this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.